Ginger and rosemary, when combined together, creates an amazing herbal tea that can provide numerous health benefits. It can help to boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and help our digestive system to work more efficiently, among many other benefits. Making ginger and rosemary tea at home is very simple and cost-effective. You will simply need 1 cup of water, 1/2 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of crushed ginger. First, boil the water and then add the ingredients to it. Reduce heat and let this mixture steep for about 10 minutes. Let cool to your desired temperature, strain into a cup, and then enjoy. Now, let's discuss the health benefits of drinking ginger and rosemary tea regularly. First, combining ginger and rosemary to make this incredibly healthy herbal tea can help to improve digestion and reduce symptoms of unwanted digestive ailments. Rosemary is a tremendous digestive aid. This is often attributed to its natural anti-spasmodic and carminative properties. This can help to promote regularity and bowel movements. It can also help to reduce cramps, bloating, and diarrhea symptoms. Rosemary can also help to reduce inflammation in the gut while increasing nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we eat. Ginger can also help with digestion and has long been used for this benefit. For decades and longer, its medicinal properties and active substances have been used to promote proper digestion and also promote regularity. Ginger is also popular for reducing nausea and helping food pass through the digestive tract. Its main bioactive compound, gingerol, is also helpful for digestion due to its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can reduce cramps and inflammation in the gut while also treating indigestion. Ginger and rosemary tea can also help to promote cognitive function and protect against unwanted cognitive ailments such as Alzheimer's disease and cognitive decline as we get older. Ginger's ability to reduce oxidative stress and chronic inflammation are especially helpful in this regard. These two ailments are seen as key risk factors in age-related cognitive decline, as well as Alzheimer's disease. Studies have shown that ginger's antioxidants and bioactive compounds can help to reduce inflammatory responses that happen in the brain, which can help reduce disease, improve reaction time, and improve memory, while reducing age-related decline and the risk of Alzheimer's disease. Rosemary can also help to improve cognitive function due to its potent antioxidants, such as carnosic acid, which can promote and stimulate memory. Rosemary can also help to protect our neural pathways from amyloid plaques and reduce inflammation, which again can help prevent Alzheimer's disease and dementia, as well as cognitive decline, as studies have shown. Drinking a combination of ginger and rosemary tea may also be able to help reduce the risks of developing certain types of cancer. Studies have shown that ginger has anti-cancer properties, which is often attributed to the potent compound gingerol, which ginger is a great source of. Its potent anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and bioactive substances are also helpful in this regard and can help to boost immunity and prevent chronic disease such as cancer. Rosemary may also be helpful in preventing certain types of cancer, often attributed to its potent antioxidants and free radical fighting and immunity boosting effects. Rosemary also contains compounds that may have anti-cancer effects, namely caffeic acid, rosmarinic acid, and carnosol. Lastly, consuming ginger and rosemary tea can help to promote heart health and improve circulation, while also reducing risk factors associated with heart disease. Ginger has been shown to be especially heart healthy. Not only are its anti-inflammatory, high levels of nutrition, and potent antioxidants helpful in this regard, but it can also help to lower cholesterol levels. Studies have found that consuming ginger or ginger tea can help to significantly reduce cholesterol markers in the body, as well as lower bad LDL cholesterol. It has also been shown that regular consumption of ginger tea can help to reduce total cholesterol levels and blood triglycerides, both of which can lead to heart disease. Rosemary is also heart healthy and is packed with essential antioxidants that can reduce free radicals and oxidative stress, which can cause damage to the cardiovascular system over time and may lead to heart disease. Importantly, rosemary tea can improve circulation, which not only improves blood flow, but can also prevent blood clots, heart attacks, and heart disease. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.